Xin chào! Welcome back to Cooking with Trang. Today I'm making a dish that everyone could tell its name right away while talking about Vietnamese cuisine. Yes, it is phở. The very first step is to boil the beef bones in water to clean them. However, I'm not using the normal water, but here I'm using the lemongrass water. Then I'll boil them for about 10 minutes. As you know, phở is the most famous Vietnamese dish that many people in the world know about it. That's why I had to consider for a very long time to start recording this video. Today I'm just sharing my own experience how I cook phở. There are many different versions out there, so just take the easiest one and the one that you like the most. Now I'm moving the beef bones into 2 liters fresh water to continue making the broth. I'm boiling the bones for at least 5 hours. If you have more time, you can boil them longer. The longer you boil them, the better the broth would become. The next step is to prepare the spices. Here I'm roasting the 5 spices until they get brown. This is a very important step to make the flavor of the soup. I'm roasting here cinnamon sticks, star anise, coriander sticks, cardamom, and cloves. The next step is to fry the onions and ginger in the pan for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can use your oven as well. Now I'm adding them into the broth. With the 5 spices, I'm putting them in a bag. Then I tighten the bag and add it into the pot as well. I use 5 grams of each spice here. Here you go. Continue boiling. After 3 hours, now I'm adding the beef chunk and continue cooking for 2 more hours. That's the good timing for the beef chunk to be cooked well enough. Now I'm removing the beef chunk. You can see the soup is boiling now, and all of the flavors are coming out. After 5 hours, now I'm filtering the soup to only get the clear broth. And I'm adding the white parts of the shallots and continue boiling. You need to pay attention not to use beef and pork together while cooking phở. You need to choose either beef or pork. Some people do use chicken as well. Now I'm seasoning the broth. I'm using here fish sauce and some Knorr seasoning powder. However, some people use salt and rock sugar. It's totally up to you. And I'm also boiling water to soak the phở noodles later. This is also a very important step as well. For 1 kilogram of phở noodles, you can serve usually 4 people. Make sure that you soak them well enough in the boiling water. And now I'm soaking the beef in the soup as well. It even makes the soup taste better. I just make the half-cooked beef here. And then some onions that I already cut into slices. Then the shallots, the green parts, and then the beef chunk, and then half-cooked beef, and now the soup. To eat with phở, we use bean sprouts, lime juice, chilies, Vietnamese basils, and Vietnamese cilantros. Some black pepper. It's getting done here. I hope you're enjoying my video today and my version of phở, and wish you all the best. Successfully cook your own version. Now it's time to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell to follow my cooking journey. Thank you.